Look at that, Clank. This ship is amazing.
Welcome aboard the Phoenix, gentlemen.
Whoa.
Impressive, isn't she? The Phoenix is the pride of the galactic fleet. She's equipped with the latest technology. Holodeck training suites, auto vendors for armor and weapons, virtual firing range, starfighter upgrade system, even a Gadgetron VG-9000 game system.
A VG-9000?
Of course. With a Mavix Fireball Pro controller, VR headset, and a zero-G dance pad attachment.
Will you marry me?
Well, you've obviously had an exhausting trip. Why don't you stop by your quarters? We prepared a custom living area for Quark, so he won't get in your way. Come meet me on the bridge when you're ready.
To view the world map, press
yeah,
select
we
or
upgrade the gun.
R3. This weapon
V3?
upgrade features a lock-on mod. To lock on to enemies, press and hold L2 and R2.
That would have been really great to have during that boss fight. Alright, so let's go find our quarters. I think this is our quarters, actually. This area.
Welcome to the Phoenix Trophy Room. Whenever a crew member is awarded a Medal of Honor, it is displayed here.
Oh, I can view the trophies? Ah, there's gonna be different styles of trophies. So I got the Ratchet trophy. Means there'll probably be a Clank.
This is the Phoenix VR deck. Here you can train in combat simulations or practice using new gadgets.
Looks like it's down right now.
These are your quarters. I set up the VG-9000 to play vid comic discs.
How do you think he got like this?
Well, the life of an intergalactic superhero can be very stressful.
Yeah. Anyway, you're telling me this nutcase is our only hope for stopping Nefarious? We're hosed.
Yeah, probably. Is this where we sleep? Like how they keep them in a cage.
This is the VG-9000 game system. If you have a vid comic, you could play it here.
You need a vid comic to play. In other words, it's useless to us right now.
Great. Meet me on the bridge.
Before we go too far, let's go over and see what they got over here.
This is our onboard Gadgetron armor vendor. We'll notify you whenever a new suit of armor is available for purchase.
So we do start with one. I just don't have the money to buy it.
This is our Gadgetron weapons vendor. Here you can try out new weapons in a VR simulation before you buy them.
Oh yeah? Yep. Press where to test. Employee special discount. One time only, Gadgetron offers a special discount to all former employees. Select this option to check your hard drive for previous Ratchet and Clank save data. I mean, I'll do it, but I don't think it'll work. Yep. Hey! Oh. So it wasn't worth anything? I mean, because it should be fine, right? I mean, it gave me a new skin, but it's weird. It says that it found it. I know that I've played and beat it. What's this over here? Kind of an empty little space here. So maybe the thing over here, the challenge thing, the arena thing, maybe I can do more than just test weapons simulation to have it does. Yep, it's an arena. That's what I was asking. That's exactly what I was wondering. So there's a reason to go ahead and do some of these. Get a little bit of extra money. See if I can make enough to buy my suit of armor. Alright. Alright, 300 volts. Don't look down. Watch out for disappearing panels. How will I know? Okay. Looks like it's gonna happen every round. And if I had to guess, probably start with the outside panels first. Whoa. Well, I was wrong about that. Hey. Now, we'll have to get all of the... Well, they can just come to me. $500 volts. I mean, it's not the greatest thing. Oh, now we get to the time stuff. So this one's stuck with the shock blaster, which I'm trying to level up anyways. Ah, there's a good reason for doing it. Oh, we're doing this again too, huh? And we're doing it relatively quickly. As compared to the last one where it was, yeah, it was coming apart. It was just coming apart every other thing. Wrench beat down using only the Omni wrench. Okay. Yep, I was about to make sure that I could still do that. Yeesh. Alright, gotta take out these guys with the gloves. Oh, we're doing this, are we? Oh, he's got the Walloper from, what was that, 2? 1? In other words, I there we go. Little tough, not gonna lie. Speed round. Destroy all the enemies before time runs out. That shouldn't be too bad. I say, the shock blaster's got a good range, and if I couldn't do it with the shock blaster, I would just go to the grenade. The floor panels will leave and return as you fight. Isn't that the same as normal? Or is it like randomized and not going to be every round? There's a lot more of the rounds too. There's 8. I think that's the most we've had so far. Oh! These guys are not worth a whole lot of XP on the guns, but they are worth XP regardless. Huh? Something has hit me hard enough. I don't want to keep playing around. That one's going away again. There we go. Last round. There we go. That one was actually a little bit tougher. Something was hitting me and hitting me hard. Alright. So we got 90 seconds for 3 rounds, so that's just under 30 seconds per round. Yeah, I figured these panels were gonna go away. That's just a normal thing now. And bam. Alright. That's enough to go buy that armor. Nerves of Titanium. Fight through the final VR battle and win a titanium bolt. This is the last one already? There's 12 rounds. Okay. Hey, maximum health increase. That's nice. Alright, no. No ammo boxes. There we go. Boop. Like I said, in terms of difficulty, I don't remember this Ratchet and Clank very well. So I can't really attest to whether or not I think it'll be hard or not. Most Ratchet and Clank games aren't hard, but there are tricky spots. And I was thinking about it kind of like if you've ever played the old Jak and Daxter games, which we may go and play. I don't know yet. Jak and Daxter was one of my favorite games as a kid. I would love to play it again, but when I think about, I mean, to be fair, I was a child, how difficult it was to get 100% of that game, I get turned around very easily. Maybe I'll let you guys decide. What do you think? Should Jak and Daxter be on our list of games to play? Should we play through them all? And just like we will with Ratchet and Clank? So if this is the final round, is there going to be a boss? And we get titanium bolts in this one. That's number 4. Not gonna tell me like what changed? I guess not. Didn't even look like it got more ammo. Looks like it's chaining a little bit of lightning in between enemies. There we go. Titanium bolt can be used to purchase new skins in the specials menu. Huh. And now it's dropped down to 650 that we can get in the specials menu, huh? Oh, we can get cheats too for the skill points. Skins. Old school Ratchet. Snowman. Snowman Dan. Tuxedo Ratchet. Bugnoid. Brainius. Robo Ruster, Trooper, Robo, Sumo, Ninja. That's it. I'm not a big skin person, honestly. But we really went in there just to make a little bit of cash. So we can get this right here. I'd rather the armor than a weapon. To the bridge.
Press triangle to interrupt these messages. You can disable help messages.
Alright. Say less.
We're losing the signal. Try boosting the power.
Isn't that the president?
They came out of nowhere! Tyrannoid invasion force! Presidential compound has been breached! Cannot hold out much longer here!
Mr. President! Dad! Are you there?
Dad?
Robotic citizens of the Solana Galaxy, the hour of your liberation is at hand! Too long we robots suffered under the bigotry, the stupidity, the squishiness and foul stench of organic life forms. Soon, all robots will bask in the liberty and equality of my benevolent, iron-fisted rule. And as for you filthy organic life forms, you can look forward to being disintegrated. That's all for now.
Plot a course from Arcadia. Maximum speed. Prepare the dropship for planetary assault. We're going in.
We'll see you on Arcadia.
Okay. Well, we now have the download coordinates for Arcadia. Marcadia?
To view your current missions, select the missions menu from the pause screen.
Huh. They made it kind of easy to get to that. Oh, this is the upgrade
You
right
can
here.
upgrade your star.
Oh, it's money based. That's great. All right, to Marcadia.
Glad you made it, sir! The presidential compound is on the other side of the city! Keep your head down! The turnoids are crawling all over the place!
Alright. Look at this map. There's a star on the map. There's been a star on all the maps. I wonder if that just means that we have completed the map. That's a good question. Wonder... Anyways. It's not a huge map. That's not a bad thing. Let's hit the rolling, Jack. Just gonna keep using the shock blaster till it's maxed out. Might as well, right?
Tap triangle to cycle through the last 3 weapons you have equipped.
Well, I ran through as quickly as I could. Ooh. To get as much XP as I can. I missed somebody down here. Yeah. I mean, that's fine. Like I said, we ran through that to get all the XP and bolts that we could. Yep. I don't know, this looks very platformy. Nope, there was a wall there. I think. Let's see. There are a lot of weapons now already. Well, at least going through it again, we can grab more XP for the gun and a few more bolts. Takes 3 hits with the Omni Wrench. Make sure we get a couple of shots in. Alright, out of ammo. Let's go to the next one. I thought I threw a bomb up there, but I guess not. Oh, Jesus. I didn't think he could hit me from all the way over there, because I could barely even see him. Alright. Making sure to look around up here. Again, you know how these games are. They like to hide stuff pretty well, like this wall over here that you can jump on. Titanium bolt. Wish I could move faster, which I had like the little jetpack version of the lock-on mod. Yeah, it tells you. It just didn't tell me when it upgraded there. We do have it. We got dual-wielding wrenches.
Nice shooting, sir.
I didn't
A
shoot.
second wave of Terranoids just landed. They're attacking the compound from the other side. We could sure use your help.
You got it.
Follow me to the dropship.
Sorry. Got rid of my power, so I'm just gonna not. Make sure I get all the bolts that I left behind. But yeah, we might do a Jack and Daxter run of the game later in the future. Depending on if people seem interested enough in it. Sorry, soldier. Continue point. Alright, let's get in here. Oh. Secure the area or return to my ship. Huh. Operation Iron Shield Part 1. Drive out the Tyrannoids out of the compound, then defend the area against a series of brutal attacks.
Sarge, you're just in time. We must defend the presidential palace.
Yeah, This, I'll be honest, this I remember. I just thought it was on the first planet. Hey, D2. I'm gonna go ahead and switch back to the shock blaster. Because I'm willing to bet that it only goes up to V5 for this game. I didn't even see that guy, if I'm being entirely honest.
There's too many of them! We're dead beats! I need backup! I need backup!
Hey, maximum health. There are a lot of them. I'll give them that.
Area secured. Nice work, ladies. Let's move out.
Alright, well, I guess we go back. Are the...
Cover those Rangers. If we lose the whole squad, it's all over. Incoming!
Sorry, the chest, or the chest. The boxes back here are more important to me.
They're everywhere!
There's two. Well, then you better start firing. There we go, V5.
The shock
Yep.
cannon can be charged up to release a spectacular beam of death. Hold the fire button to charge up the beam. Then release the button and sweep the beam across your enemies.
It's not that great. Let's switch to the nitro launcher. And just go down the line in the order that we got them.
Thanks, Sarge. You saved our cans.
Excuse me. Turret assault. We're gonna be in a turret?
Need to take out those enemy dropships. The sauces are just icing on the cake. Unreal.
Where's Will? Alright, so we're trying to stop these guys from dropping enemies in.
Towering fire.
I think the dropships will both end up coming around anyways. Nope, there's one. Oh, Jesus. This thing turns like crap. about to say, I know I saw one.
This is the last wave, Sarge. Don't give those puss buckets an inch.
Those what?
Shoot me, Sarge. You can take it from here.
Can you? Under the gun. Provide covering fire for the repair crew until they can get the turret operational again. So we gotta last for 2 minutes?
We need that turret back online.
Oh no. These keep coming back though. Alright, I just need to know where the enemies are.
Keep them off our backs. We'll have this baby back up in no time.
Yeah. This one's gonna take a while to level up, just because of the amount of ammo that it has.
Covering fire. We've got to protect the repair crew.
Let's see, there's a couple more enemies.
Keep it up. Repairs are almost finished.
Nope, that's not taking any damage from all the way over here. Oh, I'm out of ammo. Crazy how much ammo you go through when you're not paying attention. One and done.
The repairs are finished. Now we'll give those noids a taste of their own medicine.
Let's go to the vendor. Buy the ammo. Buy the plasma whip. Yeah, let's just go ahead and buy that too.
The infector fires nanovirus globules that infect enemies on contact. Infected enemies will attack and infect other enemies until the infection wears off. Enemies appear red on the radar. Allies appear blue. Mission objectives appear green.
The Noids have launched an all-out assault. We need those air defenses online yesterday. Those turrets can only target aircraft. You'll need to
Yep.
handle the ground troops yourself.
About to drop some enemies that are gonna catch me off guard. They're everywhere, they're everywhere. I mean, once you get the first couple in,
Keep it up, Sarge. We just need one more turret to stop the Noids cold.
well, before I do that, I just want the bolts. It's not actually a lot of bolts, but I mean, to be fair, they're doing a fairly good job on their own.
Take it from here, Sarge.
Agent Clank? You're even more impressive in person than you are on the holovid.
And I must say, I've never seen a chauffeur fight like you do, son. Who says you can't find good help these days, right, Clank? Sasha's told me a lot about you. Don't get any ideas, kid. She is way out of your league. Sasha filled me in on the Quark situation. I'm told the man thinks he's a monkey?
He has lost his memory, sir.
Well, then you'll simply have to find it for him. We need our star player back in the game ASAP. Is that understood?
Yes, sir.
My daughter tells me you're a man who's good with his hands, Ratchet.
Sir, I swear I never...
The city's laser shield went down during the attack. Now, we are defenseless without it. I sent out a repairman to fix it, but he disappeared. I need you to get that shield system back online.
Yes, sir. We're on it.
Top of what? A man who's good with his hands. Why never? I like how he just kind of stood there and took it. Is this our first little gadget? Yes, it is.
The refractor will let you redirect laser beams. Just equip it and stand in the path of the laser. Hold L1 and use the left analog stick.
I just stand in the middle of it. I didn't want to do that. It seems painful. If I'm being quite honest. It does hurt. Just so we know. Ah. There we go. I was about to say, I'm just going to assume that I need the refractor again. We're pretty much just taking this laser beam all the way through the thing. There we go. Is that gonna make a platform for me? Oh, it turns, it turns, it turns. I didn't realize it was gonna, start being so flimsy.
Ratchet, there should be a...
Should be a something or another. Okay, so that thing followed the light. I'm sure she would have said that if she, you know, finished her sentence. Is there something behind door number 1? No. Oh. I don't know exactly what's happening, so let's go ahead and do this. Okay, yeah. There we go. It's not like they're very hard puzzles. I mean, point and choose. They're not very hard. You just gotta, literally just gotta go with it. Yeah, I had a feeling that was gonna happen. So what do you do about that? There's something up there. Ah. I say it looks like I can just manipulate both beams. All right. This feels like a wall I can climb when I have the magnet boots.
Hey, look, it's Al. Got the shield up yet?
Silence! I am concentrating.
What the? That's a Quark vid comic.
Excuse me. It is a historically accurate interactive graphic novel.
How can you use the city's defense network to play a video game?
Simple. I bypassed the security server with a 626 hex matrix adapter and reprogrammed the graphic subprocessor.
No, I mean, it's... Clank, you speak, nerd.
It appears you have a feedback loop in the induction coils of your DB3 signal processor.
Impossible! I ran a recursive checksum on the signal matrix. Hey, there is a feedback loop. I don't know what happened with it.
May we borrow this vid comic?
Treat it gently. It is the first edition.
Perhaps this will help restore Quark's memory.
Shield power restored.
You got the Quark Comic Issue 1. Booty is in the eye of the beholder. Is there not like a... there's a warp pad that wasn't there before. Take the free ammo. Nope, the ammo's already got a specific type that it is situated for. Alright, secure the area aerosol. Oh, we can do all these again? That might be useful later. That got a lot of XP for some of that. Okay, back to our ship. So we're already back. We can just kind of check out. Yeah, the star is on the map still, so I don't think we've gotten everything. But that would make sense too, so. There are 7 titanium bolts here, 3 here, to here. That's fine. Let's just go back to the Phoenix.